Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this really cute feed-in braids, half up, half down. So if you like it, please keep watching.
All the pretty girls, put your hands in the air. Part in my stash, your complexion gives glass. Make a real
Alright, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. And my client has a whole lot of thick hair. So I want to start off by sectioning each section exactly how I want to braid it. So as you can see here, I did the half up, half down, and now I'm just going through making sure my sections are precise and nice and neat. And I twist each one of those braids, basically where I'm going to be braiding at. I just twist them up individually so that I can just braid and I don't have to worry about parting and braiding. My parts are already done for me. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, so now I'm adding the jam onto the hair. I'll put the information in the description box on the type of jam I use. And then I'm going to detangle her hair with a wide tooth comb. As y'all can see, she has a lot of hair, so I like to detangle before starting the braiding process. Just makes it a little bit easier for me. And then I'm going to take a small piece of her hair and start braiding it before I add the caniculine hair. So as you can see, I'm just taking a small piece of it, and then I'm going to start adding the hair or feeding in the hair to make the cornrows uniform. So I pretty much do the same thing all the way through, and it's pretty detailed, so continue to watch. Alright, so now we're at the front, and you're going to pretty much do the same thing, except for now you're going to be braiding it to where it can go into a ponytail. So you're only going to be braiding it halfways, and I like to do my sections going up a little slanted so that it would be able to go into a high ponytail and have the shape of the high ponytail. But other than that, everything else is the exact same. I'm still taking very small pieces in the beginning, as you can see, and then feeding in the hair as I go along and just braiding it all the way down towards the end. Alright, so I'm all done with the braiding. I put her hair in a high ponytail to the side, and I'm adding some yarn, some of the color yarn, to accessorize it for her. And I triple knotted it at the ends, and then I cut it right next to the knots. And that's pretty much it. I added some foam. I'll put the information in the description box of the type of foam that I used. And I was all out of wraps, guys, so I just used a scarf to tie it down. And while it was being tied down, just dipped it in some hot water, the ends of her braids. And that is it. thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, have a blessed day, guys. Bye.